Guys, I'm checking out the Osmo Pocket 3, so getting to know how to use it. It's very stable. These are some of the first shots you guys will probably see. Gonna mix them in with everything else. I use the GoPro Hero 12 Black and then an iPhone 14 Pro, but literally any GoPro after Hero 10 I think is fine. You don't need a lot to start, guys. Like, this is 2 years in and now getting another camera plus the Insta360, so trying to get some new footage, new styles, you know what I mean? And I have to force myself to use it so I can get used to it.
That's a sick S2000. If the car doesn't do 150 every day, it's like, did you really drive it?
I have a fast car, you're not going to drive it.
And then they don't break if you drive them hard every day. It's the craziest thing. If you let them sit, then they break.
All the miles they spend on it is going to break.
Yeah. Because I've lived in Atlanta for 6 years, I know all of this by the back of my hand.
I'm obsessed. I've never gone this fast in a car.
Yeah, right. You know, that's the crazy thing. Like, when you get used to upgrading cars and like the power levels, it's like suddenly 100 is slow. You know, like you don't even realize you're doing 100. I'll go into the tunnel here. Oh, a Z4 or Z3. That was in rear-wheel drive, so the car can go in all-wheel drive too. it rips. Like, I'm addicted to driving this car. I literally put like 100 miles on it every day. Some of them are so loud, I feel like it's a flame. Like, it's gotta be something.
Sounds so nice.
Thanks. It's fun to share it with someone, you know, because driving it by yourself,
Yeah.
I'm so focused, I don't really realize how it's like in the passenger seat, you know?
Yeah. You ever need someone to just ride with me? I got you.
I invited Jake, so hopefully he comes too.
No, he called me and said
Oh,
he's gonna be
yeah,
he's
yes.
gonna bring his camera too.
Sick, yeah. I'll stop filming now. But yeah, let me hear that one time. Check it out, fam. Speed yellow on 20s all the way around. Mateen, what's good, dude? That acrophobic wing, fully PPF'd, even the wing. It's got rose gold powder coat. And performance exhaust looks crazy. So we're at the Eurofed Taco Tuesday. Check this out, this is something you don't see every day. Whew. F-Type R. Oh, I will. I have to be careful with the music. F80. Gorgeous Isle of Man green, 2025. Let's see what we got here. Got a sick wagon. I remember this Audi from the gas meet. The V8 Lexus, big SQ8, Corvette, another IS, RC I should say. This thing looks insane too. This is a manual, guys. Look at this, we got the little M4. They look good together, guys.
Give it a little bit, but then
an R8 with a 6 splitter on the front. Got the Honda Odyssey going in.
What's up, pimp? How are you, bro? Check this thing out, fam. 600 LT, if I'm not mistaken. Looking crazy. MSO seats. Woo. Check out the exhaust real quick. What's so crazy? Yo, I love the LEDs you got underneath the car in the intakes. It was crazy. Let me hear it one more time. Let me hear it, let me hear it. Okay. Got the G-Wagon pulling up. What up, fam? Good to see you, bro.
How you doing?
Look at this thing, damn. Shoot, man. You got the cigar going?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this beautiful thing. Sheesh. Honestly, if you wanted, you could back up right in front of the Z06. Yeah. You can back up right behind the R8, like to the side of the R8 if you want. Okay. Yeah. He's gonna come in behind you. This thing is outrageous.
Over there. Yeah. Think about taking out the.
Yeah, so.
Gas station, no. Like, no, on the way to Olive Garden Inn, no.
Check out the hood on this thing, guys. Crazy. up, man? Good to see you, brother. Looks so good. Give it one rep, one rep. It's good, dude. How are you, man? Yeah, yeah. Is that your M3 up there? It looks gorgeous, man. Yeah, let's go. Here, we'll come around and check it out real quick. Trying to see where that Aventador came around.
Is that SVJ or just
SVJ.
Yo, can y'all go tell the SVJ to come over here?
Oh, we'll try. Yeah, we'll try. Woo. Sitting so clean, man. Let's see the taillights real quick. Oh yeah. Diffuser. Side skirts. Woo. Yeah, this is the craziest lip. Goes all the way around. It's nuts, man. Gorgeous. Woo. The servo whistle, bro.